art and architecture. For example, traditional palace posts carved as figurative forms of mother and child, which can visually be explored as sculpture while simultaneously experienced through circulation in time and space. As one would walk through or around a column, as seen in these photos of works in the permanent collection of African art at the Museum of Fine Arts, Boston. My practice explores queer Yoruba aesthetics, challenges homophobia, and stands in solidarity with the notion that queer love is not un-African. My work reveals how Yoruba philosophy embodies parallel conceptual frameworks that exist within Taoist, Buddhist, and Hindu thought. Through the concept of visible and invisible, I engage multiple dualities, while simultaneously exploring ideas of flight, transformation, and transcendence. And I also weave art and architecture, as with these palace posts, to reveal clear links between classical Yoruba and ancient Nubian aesthetics. In Yoruba, the word meta translates as the number 3. I've presented in past critical work this idea of an alignment between mind, body, and spirit.